home. Look at my face. I was too tired, so I can't help my face. It's literally just puffy. Anyway, yeah, so yesterday I finished the evening walking tour. It was really good. Really good, really helpful. It was great time to learn about the history for each like historical monumental places. It was really good. So today I'm gonna have a pasta finally in Italy, and then I'm gonna go to Colosseum. I'm planning to go to Colosseum, Pantheon again, because last night I just saw the outside of the architecture, but today I'm planning to go inside in it because the guide recommended. So anyway, I'm gonna go to the restaurant first. See you later. Well guys, look at this. According to the weather forecast, it will rain in the afternoon, but at the moment the weather is really nice. Look at this. There's no car. Oh my gosh, where's the car is coming? It's similar to London. They press the button as well. Oh, guys, look at this. Here's no traffic lights. Oh my gosh. No traffic lights, and then you just need to be confident. The guide from last night just told me like, be confident, don't run, just walk without the traffic light. Arrived. Yeah, I think I got out of the touristy area. This is the menu. Okay. Mi scusi? Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Yes. What's the difference between this and this? Because I want to try the artichokes.
Okay, this is kind of round shaped stuff thing. I don't know how to explain better in English actually, I'm sorry. And this is just like mini artichokes, like fried actually.
Then, okay. Puree, that one. And do you have a casio pepper? Is it correct? No.
Cacio e pepe?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Ah.
Pepe is pepper and cacio is a kind of cheese. So yeah, cacio e pepe, pepe cacio is like the same thing.
Yeah, that one, and then this one, Aperol Spritz.
Of course.
Per favore, grazie.
Prego.
Yay! But anyway, I'll show you the inside. Because it opens 12 at noon, so luckily there's nobody. It's only me. There is an outside option as well, but I just choose this inside corner table because I like to sit in the corner. Firstly, this is the fried artichokes. Tastes like a fried broccoli.
Would you like some bread?
Fine. Yeah, thank you. This is casio e pepe. So pepe is pepper, and then with some cheese anyway. And this is Aperol spirits, like orange kind of drink, alcohol. Yay! And there's no spoon, because usually when we think about eating like pasta, we use spoons all the time, right? I don't know the other country, at least in Korea. Nice. I recommend this place. Yeah, because to be honest, I didn't try that Casio at Pepe in other restaurants, so I don't know the like taste is good or not, because that pasta is mainly with made with pepper and cheese, really heavy cheese. So if you're not a huge fan of like a cheesy food, I don't recommend that food. But maybe once is fine, even to me. It was very heavy, cheesy pasta. Guys, I can see Colosseum. Because last night I walked around this area, but it feels very different tonight and the daytime. Looks very different. It's just amazing. Only 10 euros? Wow. Oh, I like this type of art. Because I always collect like a postcard in each like country. But here, I think I should buy that type of picture or drawing. I'm going to that place. Oh, it's so cute. Finally, I love the place. Oh my god, it took 30 minutes almost. But I stopped at many places to take photos though. I don't know if it's Giloliti or Giloliti, but let's try. Ciao. Piccolo, medium. Can I get the piccolo one? Which one is the famous one? That one? Okay, I'll get that one then. Yes, please. I will definitely eat the dark chocolate.
Like cherry?
Yeah, and then riso rice.
Here.
And then give me a what? Oh my god, I got it. Let me just get out of this street. So dark chocolate, rice, riso, and this one is some fruity things. So firstly, you can choose like how many flavors you're willing to pay, and then get the receipt and Oh my god. Wow. It's amazing. Anyway, firstly, you need to pay for how many flavors you would like to. I think you can choose like a single or like 2 or 3. Or like also you can choose like a cone or like cup. And then get the receipt, go to another queue. Then there are a bunch of flavors you need to choose. Can you see behind me? I'll show you properly. It's Pantheon. There is a free entry, but they said on Saturday and Sunday we need a reservation. So now I'm going to Spanish steps. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, either tomorrow or Wednesday before I leave. There's too many people. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is that? Okay guys, I think it's impossible to take photos, so let me just go up there a little bit. I'm not gonna go all the way up. Haha. Yeah, the name is porchetta. I don't know. It's like a baguette, like a sandwich thingy. But this one is also my friend Dalila's recommendation, so I'm gonna have that one. And tonight there will be an event at the hostel, so I'm gonna join the event as well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Whenever I see something related to like a Korea, I'm so proud of myself and my country. Guys, let's try a random cafe. I really want to try coffee in Italy. It's important. Vorrei di caffè in espresso single per favore. Okay. Grazie.
Un caffè espresso.
Yes, please. I ordered espresso because I don't usually drink cafe because I like coffee but my body doesn't. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, I will add some sugar. That's good. Mostly espresso is very bitter, but not here. Interesting. Oh, I forgot the English word. How do you say 고소하다 in English? I'll find the word and I'll let you know later. Probably in subtitles. The problem is now I don't know which one is sugar. Here is like this one, this one. I will use this one because it says zero, probably zero calorie thing. Ciao. Oh, do you have this menu?
No.
Not. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, grazie. Aww, they don't have it. I'm not sure. Is this cafe the place or not? But definitely they have that menu. Okay, I think I should go back to the hostel and then I'll try this one. 네, 맞아요.
혼자 오셨어요?
네.
저희 뭐 하세요?
뭐, 여기 뭐 한다 그래서 뭐 참여하려고. 무슨 라이브 음악?
7시에 어제 한다 했다. 그
응. 뭐 하세요, 오늘 저녁에?
저희 그치 술 먹고 한국
아, 여기서 하세요? 네. 아, 네네네. 감사해요. This meat goes very well with this bread, and then the veggie is really good as well. Even this one is not the greatest option, but still it's very delicious. It's so kind of them because random Korean young people just came to me and they just invited me to join them tonight. They're gonna have a dinner and then some drinks, I guess. But I'm curious about the live music events at this hostel, so let me see. So is that event? Yes. Ah, right. Thank you guys. Thank you. Ciao. Oh, you're not in a queue? Okay. Can I use this for now?
Yeah, small beer or soft drink?
Beer.
Beer?
Yeah. Say hi.
Hello from Canada. My name is Connor.
Oh.
Very nice to meet you.
Right.
What's your name again?
Valencia.
Valencia.
Yeah.
It's good